이거 언제 다 뽑지? 뽑을 수 있을까?
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. Maybe I'll days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. It's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what. Maybe I'm not the one that you've been dreaming of. Dirt underneath my fingernails, some worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone like you. An uptown girl without a single care in the whole wide world. But I don't wanna run away from you. Baby, I am done hiding my love for you. So please won't you run be sharing